Hello friends, let's see circulation in animal. In previous video we discussed about cardiac cycle. Let's see the blood pressure. The pressure exerted by blood on the wall of the blood vessels is called as blood pressure. It is measured by sphygmomanometer. It is usually measured from the arteries. The systolic pressure is called the pressure when the heart contracts, and diastolic pressure is the pressure between heartbeats. Arterial blood pressure. The pressure exerted by blood on the wall of arteries is arterial blood pressure. Pressure on arterial wall during ventricular contraction, that is systole, is called systolic pressure. For a normal healthy adult, the average value of the blood pressure is 120 mmHg. The pressure on arterial wall during relaxation of the ventricle is called diastolic pressure. For a normal healthy adult, the diastolic pressure is about 80 mmHg. The BP or blood pressure is denoted as 120 by 80 mmHg. The blood pressure is normally written as 120 by 80 mmHg. The difference between systolic and diastolic pressure is called pulse pressure. It is normally 40 mmHg. The deviation from normal blood pressure value indicate malfunctioning of the heart. It may be due to high or low blood volume. The arterial inelasticity or hardening of the arteries is called as atherosclerosis, means the deposition of the fats like cholesterol in the arteries, means the LDL cholesterol. The renal disease and emotion induce hormonal changes, obesity. The blood pressure lowers than the below normal blood pressure 90 to 60 mmHg is called hypotension. And blood pressure higher than normal, that is above 140 to 90 mmHg, is hypertension. Various factors that are affect the blood pressure like cardiac output, peripheral resistance, blood volume, length and diameter of blood vessels, viscosity of blood, age, gender, venous returns, sleeps, emotions, exercise, anxiety, some emotional traits, alcoholism, smoking, cholesterol-rich diets, increased secretion of renin, epinephrine, and aldosterons, which affect the blood pressure. The blood pressure increases with age due to increasing inelasticity of the blood vessels. Amount of blood brought to the heart via the veins per minute per unit time is called the venous returns, and it directly proportional to the blood pressure. The blood pressure is also directly proportional to the length of blood vessels. The blood pressure can also affected by vasoconstriction or vasodilation. Females have slightly lower BP than the male, her age before menopause. However, the risk of the high BP increases in the female after menopause setting. Let's see measurement of blood pressure. It is measured with the help of an instrument called sphygmomanometer. This instrument consists in inflatable rubber bag cut off covered by a cotton cloth. It is connected with the help of tube to mercury manometer on a one side and a rubber bulb on the other side. During measurement, a person is asked to lie in a sleeping position. The measurement is placed at the level of the heart and the cutoff is tightly wrapped around the arm. The cut is inflated till the brachial artery is blocked due to external pressure. The pressure then in the curve is slowly lowered till the first pulsatile sound is heard. At this moment, pressure indicated in manometer is systolic pressure. Sound heard during the measurement of blood pressure are called as a Korotkoff sound. Pressure in curve is further lowered till any pulsatile sound cannot be heard due to the smooth blood flow. At this moment, pressure indicated in manometer is diastolic pressure. An optimum blood pressure, that is normal blood pressure level read, is about 120 by 80 mmHg.